Hey everyone, Zoe from Zappos here, and this is the Shellista III Mid boot from the North Face. These winter boots are like duck boots on steroids. This silhouette is gonna hit at mid-calf for extra warmth around the legs. You can see that duck boot style construction with a waterproof rubber reaching high around the base of the shoe and a waterproof wool and leather shaft to keep these boots very warm and durable. We've got laces up the top and two very large pull tabs, one on either side of the shaft to help you get your foot inside. Speaking of the inside, the warmth continues with a fur collar and soft textile lining. These boots also have a removable footbed. Now look at all of that cushioning. It almost makes it seem like winter won't be that bad this season. All on top of a durable rubber outsole with IcePick lugs that have been treated to give you tons of grip in icy conditions. A tall construction that will keep those feet nice and warm this season. Get them today. They're from the North Face.